Hey Sam, Jacob here over at Cosmo Motors with your 2018 Volvo. Go ahead and get you a nice video walk around, show you the ins and outs of this vehicle. Beautiful XC90. It is all-wheel drive, of course. You got your front sensors, your front camera. I'm looking for any dents, dings, scratches. Up on the hood, nothing there. Start over to the left, you got your sensors as well. Not seeing anything. Down to the side here. One thing I want to point out is these beautiful Scorpions, these Pirelli Scorpions. Those are probably one of the best tires. You can always tell how someone takes care of their vehicles based on the tires that they have. Most people who don't care about their cars aren't going to spend that kind of money on tires. Small spot there, so you can barely see it. Here's your back sensors to your backup camera right there. And again, I'm not seeing anything on this side. Go ahead, walk inside here. Memory seats. There's your miles, 35,000 miles. Backup camera. .360 view. Super cool. Different drive modes. Seats are in beautiful condition. Can't quite do it one-handed here. Thanks, Sam. I look forward to seeing you today and look forward to doing business.